So, how are you guys? So, how was your day today? So, today there is only one good trade available throughout the day, and which is nothing but this trade at 9:24. How? As soon as market is open at this place, okay, 38,111, and then after it falls, and this high is nothing but very fast high, and we cannot see less, we cannot look for that. So market is falling, falling, falling. So probably some of you might have got entry over here for this the downside, and this downside target was this. Okay, as I said in the morning view message, in the voice recording. Okay, so this is the target, this swing low. Okay, then after we have to look for the move. Okay, whether market is taking the support or not. Okay, so if you have sorted over here, then you can probably target this level. So this is very first trade. Okay, and this is quite riskier one as well. Then the second one is this, not from this, but from this. Why? Because if you see, it is clearly on the chart that market is moving on the higher side, came up to the opening price, it felt some resistance over here, then again some one base candle, second base candle, it is trying but it is failing, and then in the next trade go and take the risk. Okay, so here is your entry. What about your target? As market is open very much low, you can target to the higher level, but on the chart we are having something more than that as well, the market profile POC. Okay, this virgin POC is your target, and at the target range, what we have is near to that we are having this 20 EMA of the 1 minute time frame chart. Okay, so this 20 EMA 1 minute time frame chart, that is also going to be very much important whenever you are going to trade. Okay, so guys, kindly analyze the market in the different time frames, so namely 1 minute, 5 minute and the 15-minute time frame charts. Okay, if you are really want to make money from the intraday trading, from the options trading, okay, options buying, particularly intraday, then you must have to follow 1, 5 and 15-minute time frame charts. So here our target is the market profile POC at the something 38,250 and this 20 EMA, and then after you have to trail. Then after you have to trail as per the market move. So if we consider from this to this, okay, so roughly I would like to consider some 150 move. Then as you are going to trail on the higher side, okay, your profit is going to be increased, and it is nothing but more than 250 point move. Now here the twist is this: how to identify this? This is very much important. The one of the key pillar of the price action trading system is the repetition. Okay, that is nothing but the repetition part, and only the 1% in the market are actively and they are knowing the repetition part. That's it. Okay, repetition due to the psychology, the human psychology, and that is utilized in the trading. That is why it's the trading psychology. Okay, so this is nothing but the one of the repetition part. Okay, and guys, I do not want to give you any proofs or like that. If you want to identify such, then go and backtest this thing. Clearly you are going to see this kind of move in the past. Okay, the similar kind of move you are going to see in the past. Okay, and price action is all about that. Okay, it's not just only about the support, resistance, supply, demand, chart patterns. No, it is something beyond that as well. Okay, the structure repetition part is it's the most important. That is why I am telling to my training program participants that you must have to backtest the data for at least 2 years. Okay, in the historical chart, and during the live market at least minimum 1 month, guys. And then after whatever the result you are going to see, guys, trust me, that is going to be very much interesting for you, and that is going to change your whole life. Okay, so this is the one good trade over here and the one good trade over here. Then after, as the market is quite indecisive. Why indecisive? From the chart itself, it is suggesting that it is at the indecisive range. If you have watched my all the videos on the 6 steps of market day, 6 steps of day trading setups, okay, then I have clearly explained in the trading range day and the sideways day when and where it can be. Okay, so this is nothing but one of the zone. Before today, it was the demand zone, but as today market opened below that and moved on the higher side, so this zone is nothing but will act as a resistance. And as it is quite very much big, so it is nothing but market is feeling something indecisiveness, and that I have told in the last post market analysis video. In the thumbnail I have clearly mentioned confusion or the indecision in the market. So this is it, okay, for today. Now here one triangle is also forming, but what about the breakout? Okay, here market is giving the breakout, but it is moving on the higher side. Then after it is close, post market settled, the price was something below the below 300 mark. But what about this breakout and moving on the higher side? Guys, if you look this, okay, this zone, the indecisive zone, then probably you are not going to trade over here. Yes, I have posted this in the Telegram channel that we are having this triangle structure, okay, but at the same time we also have to look for these levels as well. Okay, now some of you might have doubt that why you are not saying about this. Guys, if I am going to say everything, what you are going to do? What's the financial freedom? What is the definition of financial freedom? Okay, if I am going to say everything, then you are not in the freedom. Okay, you are dependent on me. Okay, you are dependent on me. So you must have to learn something, apply based on your analysis, apply whatever you have learned. Okay, then go for the trade. Okay, otherwise I mostly say that in the options trading, trade in the morning and your day is done. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Kindly like this video and share this video as well. And also do not forget about the subscribe. Okay, kindly make sure you have subscribed this channel. Thank you guys.